talks about your very special friend. A friend that is not just your lover, not just your fly-by-night friend. This is your friend for a long time. And it's your favorite friend. And we have a name for that here in Hawaii. Your ku'uhoa. This friend can be your husband, can be your wife, can be your girlfriend and your boyfriend, or your boyfriend and boyfriend, girlfriend. It's all good here in Hawaii. But anyway, we call it your ku'uhoa.
No, we can do